मेटाफिजिकल पोइट्री. हु वॉज द लीडर ऑफ द मेटाफिजिकल पोइट्री? मेटाफिजिकल पोइट्री लीडर कौन है? जॉन डन. What is the meaning of word metaphysical? Beyond the world. The metaphysical. The metaphysical poets were the men of learning. The men of learning were the metaphysical poets. How many categories are there of metaphysical poetry? Two categories of metaphysical poetry: love and religion. Use of conceits is a salient feature of metaphysical poetry. The style of metaphysical poetry was unconventional. The style of metaphysical poetry was unconventional. Donne affects, John Donne जो affects the metaphysics are the words of Dryden. Affect the metaphysics are the words of Donne. Affect the metaphysics are the words of Dryden, John Dryden. The metaphysical poets constantly bring together the abstract and concrete. The metaphysical poet constantly bring together the abstract and concrete. John Donne's satires are notorious for harshness. John Donne's satires are notorious for harshness. Canonization. Canonization is a poem by John Donne. Canonization is poem by John Donne. The metaphysical style was established by John Donne in early 17th century. Metaphysical style was established by John Donne in early 17th century. The metaphysical literature has been blamed for obscurity. The metaphysical literature has been blamed for obscurity. The metaphysical literature has been blamed for obscurity. Death to be Proud is a work of John Donne. Death to be Proud is a work of John Donne. Who coined the term metaphysical poetry? Dr. Samuel Johnson. Who coined the term metaphysical poetry? Dr. Samuel Johnson. Holy sonnets were composed by John Donne. Holy sonnets were composed by John Donne. The peculiar blend of passion and thoughts is the greatest achievement of metaphysical poets. Stand by Grierson. What did Holy Sonnets show? The poet's confidence that God will save him. What did Holy Sonnets show? The poet's confidence that God will save him. In which book did Samuel Johnson use the term metaphysical poetry? Lives of the most eminent English poets. Samuel Johnson used the term metaphysical poetry. What is the name of the age when metaphysical poetry began? Caroline Age. In Caroline Age when metaphysical poetry began. The first poet in the world in some things are the words of Ben Jonson about John Donne. Which great critic and writer of 1920s applied the metaphysical poet's method in his own writings? 1920, T.S. Eliot. Which great critic and writer tried his best to establish the importance of a metaphysical school in 1920s? T.S. Eliot. Metaphysical lyrics and poem of 17th century 1921 is a work of Herbert Grierson. It sucked me first and now sucks thee, and in this philia our two bloods mingled be, is a line from the poem Philia. Who was first metaphysical poet? John Donne. Which metaphysical poet used the clever image of two parallel lines as lovers? Henry Marvell. Most of the metaphysical poems were written in colloquial language. Who quote he affects the metaphysics about John Donne? Dryden in his book A Discourse Concerning the Original and Progress of Satire. Quote he affects the metaphysics about John Donne. The metaphysical poets were men of learning, and to show their learning was their whole endeavor, stated by Samuel Johnson, who called John Donne the monarch of wit. The monarch of wit called John Donne J.B. Lashman. J.B. Lashman called John Donne the monarch of wit, who published the collected poems of Donne, Herbert Marvell, Vaughan and Crewe in 1921. Herbert Grierson, who wrote the essay The Metaphysical Poets, T.S. Eliot. Metaphysical poets are also termed as Baroque poets. What is the meaning of the word Baroque? Irregularly shaped. I Saw Eternity of the Other Night is a poem of Henry Vaughan. I Saw Eternity of the Other Night is a poem of Henry Vaughan, who is called the saint of metaphysical school. George Herbert is called the saint of metaphysical school. Step to the Temple is a collection of religious poems of Richard Cresson. Leviathan is a book by, in 1651, Leviathan is a book by Thomas Hobbes. Physics is that which inquires of the efficient cause and of the matter. Metaphysics is that which inquires of the form and end are words of Francis Bacon. They always perceive similarity between dissimilar, and they use figures of speech excessively, indicates metaphysical poetry. Thomas Hobbes makes a distinction between fancy and judgment in his book Thomas Hobbes' Leviathan. According to Thomas Hobbes, the universe is divided into celestial, aerial, and terrestrial. Which metaphysical poet was a secretary to John Milton? Marvell was a secretary to John Milton. A metaphysical conceit is an extended metaphor that makes a surprising connection between two dissimilar things. What is paradox? A statement that seems to contradict itself, but it still ends up conveying a truth. A poetic style in which philosophical and spiritual subjects were approached with reason and often concluded in paradox is metaphysical poetry. Why did Donne write a valediction forbidding mourning? John Donne wrote a valediction forbidding mourning for his wife, who missed him while he was gone, being a religious showman in France. The most heterogeneous ideas are yoked by violence together. Who stated about metaphysical poetry? Samuel Johnson. Metaphysical poets played with thoughts as the Elizabethan had played with words, stated by Sir Walter Scott. Which metaphysical poet wrote pattern poems? George Herbert.